guys, welcome to Trainer RC. Today we are back with our third DIY airplane plan in a series of airplane plans. It's the Krusty. It's a 4-channel low-wing Trainer RC airplane. It's one of the beautiful airplanes you can find. So plans are available in our website. Just download it from our website and build one today. So it's designed for stable flying. Its 8-degree dihedral wing gives roll stability, and negative horizontal stabilizer gives pitch stability. So you can learn flying with it. Also, its 2-layer nose and tail makes it more rugged, and it can easily take your bumps and hits for the first flying experience. So, and it's pretty strong. Even the middle spar, it's just a wooden spar with Dapron stacks. So the spar is quite strong, and it's not gonna break easily as such. You can fly it for long and even crash it. Not a problem. You can also try some basic maneuvers like the inverted flyings, loops, rolls, wing overs, and even many more. And also we recommend using 8-inch prop with a 1000 kV motor for an efficient setup. You can always upgrade to 9-inch or 10-inch propeller. So you get around 12 to 15 minutes of flight time with the 1500 mAh 3-cell battery capacity. You can always upgrade it to around 1800 mAh battery. So it's a very inexpensive build. It takes around 1.5 sheets of foam, and the fuselage goes around 8 to 10 pieces of foam, and the wing is just a single sheet with wooden spars in stack between Dapron spars. So you can build it within like couple of hours. If you want to experience Krusty, you have to build and fly it once. Parts like the vertical and the horizontal stabilizers can be easily replaced. If you break one, you can just print the plan of the exact same page and just replace it with the broken part. So it's that simple, guys. So before flying it, check out the build, guys. You need to firstly download the plans in exact A4 sheet size paper so that you can cut out the edges and then paste it. For pasting the plans, you can check out our previous videos. Our link is given in the description box. So now check out the build, guys. Do necessary single and double bevel cuts as mentioned in the plan, and apply tape on the other side of the bevel to avoid rips and tears. Now take the 2 nose doublers and glue it aligning to the rectangular slots. Take the 2 Dapron motor mounts, stack them together and glue it in the slot in the nose. Also glue the former. Now fold and check whether everything fits fine, and then apply glue and hold it firmly until it gets dried. Glue the fuselage bottom hatch and nose bottom hatch. Now take the 2 tail doublers and glue it. Also make bevel cuts for the elevator and rudder. Then insert the vertical stabilizer into the horizontal stabilizer and glue it firmly. And insert the entire tail assembly into the slot and glue it. So now we are done with the fuselage. Let's build the wing now. Firstly, do all necessary bevel cuts. Now glue the wooden spar in between the two Depron spar. Insert the spar into the slots provided and glue firmly. Take the middle section of the wing, fold it and glue it. Now do the same for the other two sides as well. So the wing is ready. Now let's install the servos. Cut out the wooden motor mounts and insert the servo and screw it. Now glue the wooden motor mount to the fuselage slot. Take a control horn and pierce it into the control surface. Cut some steel wires and do a Z-bend on one end. Measure the distance from the control horn to the servo arm and do a Z-bend even on the other side and cut off the excess steel wire. Similarly, do it for all the other control surfaces. Installing the servos are that simple. So now let's install the wing mounting assembly. Take the wooden parts for wing mount and insert it into the slot and glue it. Take a screw and glue the other end inside the wooden part. Now add some plastic pieces on the wing where the screws will pass to protect the foam from ripping off. So now we are done with the plane. So now let's take it out for a flight. So here's the flight video of the Krusty. So let's put it into the air. It's a beautiful flying airplane. You can just cruise around with 50% throttle, and maneuvering is quite easy. So that was the roll. So let's do some inverted flying. So you can always switch to a 10-inch prop for aggressive flying anyways. So I'm flying with an 8-inch prop and 1500 milliamp battery. So there's a lot of wind there. I'm directly pointing into headwind, so I can soar beautifully there. So now let's get in for a low pass. So let's try some inverted low passes. So this aircraft is completely hands-free. You can just fly it without any inputs. It will keep soaring all around. So let's go hands off. You can cruise it around even with less than 45% throttle. It's completely hands off and it's flying on its own. So now let's get in for a land. This is a beautiful airplane, guys. You guys have to download the plans and build one today. So guys, that was a beautiful flying experience with the Krusty. I crashed it nearly 10 to 15 times, but still it's intact. There are few just little bit of bumps on the nose. Also I broke a prop, but still the plane is fine. So Krusty is one of the best airplanes to learn flying. Not just the durability of Krusty, but also its stability. It's extremely stable, guys. I could literally go hands off and leave all the sticks. It was just cruising around on its own. So this is a beautiful airplane to learn flying. So download a plan today. So that's for this video. Please consider subscribing to us for more free DIY airplane plans in future. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. See you next time.